Hello guys, I hope that you're doing very well. Today we're going to have a small video about this lesson. I hope you have a great Friday and a great previous Halloween, and let's start. Lesson 5, the industrialization and global competition. Expected knowledge. In this class, you will learn the function of the three branches of power of the government. We will discuss some important events that happened to France after the revolution, and we'll talk about one of the most important characters of this period, Napoleon Bonaparte. You will also learn the definition of national states. So let's begin. The first three articles of the US Constitution call for the powers of the federal government that be divided among three separate branches: the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary branch. Under the separation of powers, each branch is independent, has a separate function, and may usurp the functions of another branch. However, the branches are interrelated. They cooperate with one another and also prevent one another from attempting to assume too much power. This relationship is described as one of the checks and balances, where the functions of one branch serve to contain and modify the power of another. Through this elaborate system of safeguards, the framers of the Constitution sought to protect the nation against tyranny. The job of each branch is the legislative branch, which is the Congress, makes the laws. The executive branch, which is the president, implements the laws. The judiciary, the court system, interprets the laws and decides legal controversies. So, what happened to France after the revolution? The old empires and monarchies were disappearing during the 19th century due to the bourgeois revolutions. Now, liberal nations were taking place. Instead, capitalism was rising and the power was being divided in three: executive, legislative, and judicial. After the revolution, France became a weak state and it was attacked by some countries. While these attacks were happening, a young general was standing out, and he was the one to transform France forever. His name was Napoleon Bonaparte. Now, here we have a small text that I will encourage you to pause so you can read it. And then I also need to tell you that this you can find in your LBS page 53. So go ahead, pause the video, and read the text. A national state. The definition of a nation state is a self-governed political entity occupied by people who speak the same language and share a common history and culture. When a nation of people have a stable country of their own, it is called a nation state. Places like France, Egypt, Germany, and Japan are excellent examples of nation states. For the activity, guys, you are going to write the definition of the three branches of power: executive, legislative, and judicial, just like we did, we saw in the video. Number 2, write a small biography of Napoleon Bonaparte, but only important information, maybe 1 or 2 paragraphs. Number 3, answer the next question: what is a national state? Also, the information is in the video. All this in your notebook with margins, titles, dates, etc. Don't forget, deliver your items on time. This means you need to send your work by the time you have history class, but in this case, you can send it until, let's say, 2:30. Always do a presentable job, presentation counts, and any work delivered out of time will not be considered. So that's for today, guys. A small quick video. Have a really good weekend. Bye, guys. No puede ser, no se grabó nada.